Unit 6 Goods and Services from World Watch Social Studies for Primary Schools Book 3. Many people in Pakistan who live in small towns and villages earn a living by farming or fishing. Others, who live in larger towns and cities, do many different kinds of jobs in factories, shops, hospitals, schools, or offices. All these jobs help people earn money. They provide us with goods or services. Goods are tangible, physical items that can be seen, touched, and usually stored. They are produced through manufacturing, farming, mining, or other processes and are typically bought and sold in the market. Goods can be categorized into several types. Consumer goods. These are products intended for personal consumption. They can be further classified into durable goods, e.g., cars, appliances, and non-durable goods, e.g., food, clothing. Capital goods. These are goods used by businesses to produce other goods or provide services. Examples include machinery, equipment, and factories. Intermediate goods. These are materials or components used in the production of other goods. They are not meant for final consumption and are often used in the manufacturing process. For example, steel used in automobile manufacturing. Public goods. These are goods that are non-excludable and non-rivalrous, meaning they are available to everyone and one person's use does not diminish their availability to others. National defense and clean air are examples. Merit goods. These are goods that are considered to have positive externalities, meaning their consumption benefits society beyond the individual consuming them. Examples include education and vaccinations. Services are intangible activities or actions that one party performs for another in exchange for payment. They are not physical items but rather experiences or tasks. Services can also be categorized into various types. Consumer services. These are services provided directly to individual consumers. Examples include haircuts, medical checkups, and restaurant meals. Business services. These services are provided to businesses and organizations. Examples include consulting, legal services, and advertising. Financial services. This category encompasses services related to money and finance, such as banking, investment management, and insurance. Healthcare services. Services provided in the healthcare sector, including medical treatment, nursing care, and therapy. Transportation services. Services related to moving people or goods, such as taxi services, shipping, and public transportation. Education services. Services related to teaching and learning, including schools, colleges, and tutoring. Entertainment and recreation services. Services that offer entertainment and leisure activities, such as theaters, theme parks, and sports events. Make a list of 20 goods you could buy. For the list can include food. Goods may include things such as rice, fish, oil, books, cars, films, clothes, machinery, fruits, vegetables, pots, soap, shampoos, tea, sugar, spices, jam, ketchup, bread and eggs. Match the lists and copy the sentences into your notebook. One has been done for you. Schools teach children. Hospitals help the sick. The fire brigade put out fires. The city government mends roads. The police catch criminals. A. What could happen if? Complete the chart. Write what you think might happen in each case. Service. What could happen? There were no police officers, there would be chaos. Hospitals ran out of medicine. Patients would die, traffic would be blocked. The roads were not repaired, traffic would be blocked. Banks could not store money. Consumers would be unsafe. There were no fire trucks. People would be forced to put out fire themselves.
Which service is the most important? School, hospital, police, fire brigade, or city government? Discuss with your friend. I think schools are the most important because without them people would not learn or get very good jobs. I think hospitals are the most important because they help sick people to get better, and save lives. The question of which service is the most important among school, hospital, police, fire brigade, or city government is subjective and can vary depending on individual perspectives and priorities. It's essential to recognize that each of these services plays a crucial role in maintaining a functioning society, and they are interdependent to some extent. Let's discuss these services with a friend and consider different viewpoints. Friend A: well, I think schools are the most important service among these. Education is the foundation of a thriving society. Without education, people wouldn't have the skills and knowledge to contribute to their communities effectively. Friend B: I see your point, but what if someone's health is compromised? Hospitals are a lifeline for individuals in emergencies and for managing long-term health conditions. Without healthcare, people's quality of life would suffer significantly. That's true, but what if there's no one to maintain law and order? The police are essential for ensuring the safety and security of a community. Without them, there could be chaos and crime. All these services are vital, but without effective city government, how can these services be organized and funded properly? City government ensures that resources are allocated efficiently, regulations are in place, and policies are developed to address various needs. I agree with you, but consider this. Without the fire brigade, when disasters like fires break out, there would be devastation. Firefighters save lives and protect property. As we can see from this discussion, each service has its own unique importance, and it's challenging to definitively say which is the most important. They are all interconnected, and their significance depends on the specific context and the needs of the community. In practice, society relies on a system where these services work together to create a safe and thriving environment. Public policy and budget allocations are designed to balance the needs of education, healthcare, public safety, emergency response, and effective governance. The perceived importance of these services may also vary based on individual experiences and priorities. Ultimately, it's essential for communities to support all these services to maintain a well-rounded and functioning society.
Thanks for watching and listening. If you like my videos, please like and share it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.